Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable clothes dryers, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer and the Portable Clothes Dryer. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, pros and cons, and user experiences. Whether you need a powerful dryer for your home or a compact solution for your apartment, we've got you covered. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer boasts a capacity of 2.65 cubic feet, making it suitable for larger laundry loads. In contrast, the Portable Clothes Dryer is designed for smaller items and lacks a specified capacity, making it less suitable for bulkier laundry needs. If you frequently deal with larger loads, the Euhomy is the clear winner. When it comes to power, the Euhomy dryer operates at 1,400 watts, providing efficient and quick drying capabilities. On the other hand, the Portable Clothes Dryer has a power rating of only 600 watts, which may lead to longer drying times and limitations on the types of fabrics it can handle. For those who prioritize drying speed and efficiency, the Euhomy stands out. Price is a significant factor when choosing a dryer. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer comes with a price tag of $409, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. In contrast, the Portable Clothes Dryer is much more budget-friendly at just $59, making it an attractive option for those with limited laundry needs or smaller budgets. However, potential buyers should weigh the cost against performance and reliability. In conclusion, the choice between the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer and the Portable Clothes Dryer ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a powerful, spacious dryer for regular use, the Euhomy is the better option. However, if you need something lightweight and portable for occasional use, the Portable Clothes Dryer is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.